In today's video, I'll show you how I created these beautiful images using Bing AI, and you too can achieve the same result if you watch this video to the end. Yeah, first you type bing.com on your mobile browser. Since we are using our smartphone, make sure it's on desktop side mode. Then click on images, click on create. Now it's time to enter our prompt. In this context, a prompt is an input or a command provided to generate a response. Okay. Create a 30-year-old princess for Nigeria. Yeah, let's use that. The princess dresses in a traditional Nigerian attire. Yeah, the background features a royal setting, all looking realistic. So that's the prompt we're going to use. So when you are done entering your prompt, click on create. Wait patiently for the AI to generate your images. Then you check the images you really like and download them. Now, if you look at the right bottom of your screen, you see where your points are indicated. I have like 6 points remaining to create images. Usually every day you are awarded with 15 points, so I have used some points to create images for today, so it's remaining like 6 points now. So if I should exhaust the points I have to wait till the next day to receive another 15 points to generate my images, because I'm using the free version. Feel free to change your prompt if you want to generate a different image. So now I'm typing Ghana with Ghanaian attire. You can change it to any country of your choice. I will type in South Africa, using South Africa this time around. So basically just any country of your choice you want to use to generate that type of image, you can do that. So whenever you type your prompt, just click on create. The AI will generate the images accordingly.
Baby, I'm the girl, that girl on fire. Yeah.
You can even go as far as being very specific. Like you see, I'm typing dark skin. I need dark skin princess. Okay. You can add more details to your image by just simply entering the right prompts. Simply click on create whenever you do so, and it will generate 4 images that matches your descriptions. Now you can see that my point has reduced by 1 because I am creating another image. With this tool, you can bring your words to life, all thanks to DALL-E model from OpenAI. This AI image generator is very convenient for everybody. Now you can see the images I have created from that prompt. So you too can do this. It's actually easy to do. If you've watched this tutorial to this point, drop your comments in the comment section, or any question. If you don't understand any part in this tutorial, just feel free to comment. Alright, see you in my next video.